Mayra Velasquez and her attorneys continue to insist that Arlington police have used DNA evidence to go after the wrong killer. J.D. Miles has more on today's developments.
I am Mayra Velasquez. I did not do this.
Mayra Velasquez sat next to her attorney and professed her innocence now that she's free on bond while accused of murdering her friend, Iracema Chavez, 14 years ago inside the victim's Arlington apartment.
I will never do this to anyone. I am a good person. She was my friend. I know God and all those people who know me, they know that I couldn't never do something like this to anyone.
Velasquez did not take questions, and her attorneys had the media sign an agreement not to ask her any. She was arrested earlier this month after Arlington police used investigative genetic genealogy to connect her to a drop of blood found inside the victim's apartment. The attorney for Velasquez says an examination of security camera video of the suspected killer shows that they had a different body type. Frank Sellers also called on authorities to reinvestigate another woman who knew Chavez.
There was a breakup that happened that day between Iracema and another woman. This is somebody who had passion. This is somebody who, as the initial detective said, he thought was from a romantic fallout.
Arlington police insisted during a media briefing 2 weeks ago that they have more than just DNA evidence to prove Velasquez brutally killed her friend.
They were friends, and Ms. Velasquez had been in the apartment before. But we were able to obtain some information from her in the interview, which will help in her prosecution.
But I have faith in God that they're going to find out who did this to her, to my friend.
Velasquez's short public statement was arranged by her attorneys in an attempt to show that she's not capable of being a cold-blooded killer.
I think part of the reason we wanted Mayra to come and talk to everybody is, she deeply cared about her friend, Iracema, and I think you can sense that when you're near her, when she talks about her.
Velasquez posted a $450,000 bond to get out of jail while waiting to hear if a Tarrant County grand jury will indict her on a capital murder charge. In Fort Worth, J.D. Miles, CBS News, Texas.